Hey guys, Marty Boots here. Today I want to talk about the altcoin market, and I want to go over a few coins that our members have asked me to review and just assess the situation. We've got coins like XLM, ZRX, XRP, Lisk, what else is there? TRX and Link are a few of them. So I'll see if I get through them all. We'll see how we go. Anyway, okay, guys. Before we get into it, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you would like any coins reviewed in the future, please let me know in the comment section below. And click the little bell. You know, it helps the algorithm, and we're trying to grow the YouTube channel a little bit. Okay, let's get into it here. So, well over a month ago, we called for a stealth bull market in altcoins, and we expected that slow grind where people wouldn't realize it was happening, but we were already well ahead of the game and catching them on their very, very lows. So since then, you know, and we've made videos of XRPs in a bull market and the alt seasons here and different things, and you know, lots of good calls. So I just want to get into it here. And one of our members asked me about XLM. And XLM is a pretty loved coin. At least it used to be. It's got a lot of flack recently. But now what I do like about it is we have a massive stop hunt here. You can see this sort of stop hunt here, but it's also back into this range down here, which is definitely interesting. Now the important thing here on XLM USD, by the way. Um, we need to get above this and maybe come back off it and then do something like this. That is very important. We need to get above this high. So the Bitcoin price is going to be very, very important in the next few days. We are either going to dump really hard on Bitcoin, or we are going to have maybe a bit of a fake out and we're actually going to start grinding higher. So that is important to note. So that is what we need to watch here. Now it looks like a bit of a bearish sort of pattern here, but now the fact that this is dragging on quite a bit here, and we are above this previous high here, it is interesting because maybe it's a chance we could pop up and come down and test at it and bounce higher, like I just mentioned. So that is definitely key to look out for, guys, in the next few days. It's touch and go, and the USD price will be very fragile. What's the word? Maybe fragile is the wrong word, but it'll if Bitcoin moves up, this will move up with it. If Bitcoin moves down, this will move down with it. Now this is actually very interesting, guys, and it actually a lot of people would say this is very bearish. In my opinion, it's not. It doesn't have to be. It can be, yes, and it's a very, very bad rejection. But what it does do, and it tells us that there is some buyers down here. You know, this candle right there is buyers in there. The volume was not actually very impressive because we closed red. Now we were only a fraction away from having green volume. You know, if this had closed a couple of percent higher, this candle would have closed green for the month, and things would have looked very different. We would have had a big green candle here and it would have looked a lot better. And you can see there we've got a big green candle here, and then we got some follow through. So we're getting follow through here right now. And you know, at worst case, you know, very, very, this is very rough, guys, but you know, we may come back up and test these other levels. So there may be some upside on XLM. I gotta speed up here, guys, because this is the video is going to take too long. Now we nailed the bottom on Monero. Literally, guys, we absolutely nailed the all-time low right down here below that pivot, right down in here. This is where we nailed it, and maybe even slightly lower than that, where I put the alert out. I might be able to show you here. Yeah, here's one of my alerts that I posted on TradingView, but I did post in our group before this. You can see here XMR is an all-time lows, and it's a good buy here, hashtag all season, and you can see it there. And if I press play here, maybe we'll see what does it actually. It's going to play. You look at this, boom, boom, beautiful move. Look at that. just skyrocketed from my alert. Absolutely fantastic, guys. And that is about an 18% bounce so far. So, some of our members got in on that, and it's beautiful profits. Okay, we called for a bull market on XRP. We called for it back here. You can watch our previous videos. XRP bull market, you can see it there. It's over 2 weeks ago now. So if you want to check that out, guys, we were way back down in here, and we were calling for the bull market on XRP. And again, our members are profiting in our group, and you can see there that's about a 35% bounce from down in this level. So more beautiful profits. I do see this continuing. I don't see this move being done yet. This has more room in the tank, in my opinion, and things are still looking good. Is this the real bull market? Time will tell. Now, it's possibly setting up. The low could be in, guys. The low could definitely well be in. It is going to take time to develop. I do not expect a moonshot. As I said in my videos, this is a stealth bull market. Everybody in crypto expects stealth bull market here in altcoins. Everybody in crypto expects moonshots straight away. The thing is, what people don't understand, this is a bad chart to explain it, but if I show you a decent chart, do I have any charts open? Not really, but I mean, this is a monthly chart, guys, but this is moving up a couple of 100% way before the moonshot. So what I'm saying, guys, it does not moonshot straight away. There is a bit of a bull market normally before the public get in, like but before the public and even institutional investors. Like, this could just do this for a while, and these moving averages will be doing this, and we could be doing that, and then we could get a moonshot. But the thing is, if you're buying down here, guys, this is a stealth bull market that you need to be aware of. And it's already bounced. For example, if this plays out, is what I'm saying, it's already bounced almost 100% before you get in. So then if you buy here, for example, if you buy here and it goes to here, we'll call that 100% profit, and it went from there 100% profit. But the secret, guys, is getting in down here, and look at this compound in your results, exponential growth. Look at the difference, guys. If you get in that little bit earlier, your growth is monstrous compared to it. So it's very important, and this is why I put out this video on the stealth bull market, because you need to understand the charts, and we teach our members how to read these charts and what to look for, how to read these trends very early. Like, I don't mean to I closed that down, damn it. I don't mean to knock on your guy Peter Brandit, or whatever his name is, but like, he's posting today. Maybe I'll just show you very quickly. Not sure where I put it, guys, but like, I don't mean to knock on him, but I can't find it here now, guys. Too late. But it was an interesting. I'll show you this, and this is not my chart, guys. This is not my chart. This is just some of our work. Sorry, guys. Look at this. This is XRP. This is not my work, guys. I actually saw this on Facebook, so I'm not taking the credit for this. But you can see XRP in 2017 and the way it's setting up into a massive bull market. And you can see here in 2019, look at this. It looks flawless, guys. It looks beautiful. And we may get some huge moves at some point in XRP. So I just thought I would share that with you. Okay, so it's not Peter Brandon, sorry, my mistake. This guy, Bob Lucas, a lot of these people on crypto Twitter are way behind. We've called bull markets and XRP weeks ago. And these guys are it's confirmed now that it's an uptrend and stuff. I'm just saying, some of them are way behind. I don't mean to be knocking on anybody, but when you understand and learn to read the charts properly, like we teach, you understand that the trend is already in full flow way before the majority of people, and that takes years of experience. I mean, I've been doing this 13 years, staring at charts every single day. So the knowledge you just learn from that screen time, and it's a bit like the Matrix, guys. You just start to see stuff and understand stuff that normal people would not see. So I try and pass on my knowledge, and we have a lot of very, very smart, intelligent people in our group. I can show you a call. Maybe I just seen a beautiful call earlier on one of our members. A lot of our members make some beautiful calls. Parma here, he's making some very nice calls. There was one on XRP that I just wanted to share with you guys. Maybe it's yeah, it'll be here somewhere. But it was a beautiful call. Maybe I shouldn't be posting this anyway. But one of the guys called it, and he called it. It's coming into a beautiful pennant, and it was going to break out, and he nailed it, absolutely nailed it on XRP, and it was a beautiful move. So well done on that. So we get a lot of good stuff happening in the group, guys. So if you'd like to join us in there, you take the 3-day free trial. It's 100% free, and just check it out. Okay, this is another coin that people in our membership, in our what do you call it, in YouTube, have asked me to look over. Now, this is tricky. This is tricky. These coins, it's very tough to call a bottom just yet. You can see on the daily chart, it looks like to me this needs more time per Pundy X. It needs more time to develop. There is the possibility that this could be the low, but in my opinion, it's a gamble. It's a gamble to buy this right now without confirmation. I would like to say that you could wait tomorrow, guys. There's a new 3-day candle. This is the 16th, 17th, 18th, 16th, 17th. No, 16th, 17th, 18th. No, 2 days time, I think it is, guys. There's a new 3-day candle. Now, on that new 3-day candle, for instance, you may be able to look for a low risk buy. Even tomorrow, you could look for a low risk buy. But you'll have to manage your stop here, because if you just put your stop there, you can see. I mean, if you really wanted to buy this, you're going to have to take a 2 or 3% stop loss on this, because it could just keep going lower. So at the moment it's a gamble, but it's starting to show signs it's trying to bottom out. One of our Facebook members here asked me about ZRX, and I thought I had no, don't know what I done with that. ZRX, did I completely miss this? So you can see again in our group. I'll just show you down here. We have this is just a bit of an insight to our group, guys. Lots of different trade calls and different stuff. So this is just trading view. This is not actually our group. And I'm trying to roll back and look at ZRX for a major breakout. This was supposed to be here a minute ago. So you can see here ZRX is up for a major breakout, and I just went through some of the details there. And I posted a video and trade alerts in our group. This is the monthly. What is this? I'll click here. You can see down here the breakout, and you can see the monstrous breakout. Now, the call was from right down on the lows, right down there at 1764. So a guy's asking me about this in Facebook, but 17, we were down here 1764. So the call was from down there somewhere. So you can see already, guys, the call has made 134% if you manage to hold. Well, it did roll back a bit, guys, but what I'm going to say is this has not finished. This is going a lot higher, in my opinion. Now, we can drop back a bit. I really hope it drops back a bit, because I want to buy some more. I actually sold and took profits, and I regret selling too early. So I would like to see this dip so I can buy more, but this looks very good, guys, for the longer term. In my opinion, this has got a beautiful, bright future. TRX, guys, no, not that one. TRX, we made a call, and I says TRX is good for a long-term buy. That's a monthly chart. Here's the daily chart. You can see it doesn't look much, guys, but from the entry, the target is 37%. It's not got there yet. It's still trickling higher, and I expect higher prices on TRX. TRX looks good to me. You can see this head and shoulders. This head and shoulders should work its way up, and we should fulfill that target in the coming week or two. Link, guys, very good. I should have showed you yesterday, and in the group as well. I could look at it as well. Yesterday in the group, we a lot of people in the group really like this coin, and it's got a lot of potential. So yesterday we nailed, as this price touched the white 100 moving average here, I put out a trade alert in the group and said to buy Link, and you can see from there. You can see, well, to the highs there, that's a 13% bounce in 2 days, which is absolutely beautiful. You know, even yesterday it just bounced 9% from memory, 8.5% there. Yeah, so today the max bounce was 13, and you would be in profit now over 11%. So that was another call from the group. I could go and find it, but it's just going to take me too long, guys, through the group. So that is it, guys. The videos ran on here 16 minutes, but I just wanted to do that altcoin rundown for our members on YouTube and Facebook. I don't do a lot of these videos for them, and just show you some results and stuff. It's not I don't know, I never seem to find time to do that sort of stuff, but I just thought I would share it with you today. So Bitcoin, very quickly, what is happening? What is happening on Bitcoin? It's looking like we're going to try and bounce a little bit here. I mean, my preference is that we are still going to roll over at some point. I'm looking maybe for. I put out before I should start. I put out a buy alert right down here, yesterday before the market opened today. And it was right down there, so it was slightly in the red for a little bit. And then now we've moved up, and it's only up about 1%, 1.5%, but it was still a very good call. And on leverage, you know, that'd be good money. But what I would like to see here is I'd like to see a failed bounce and maybe then roll over and go lower. Now that is my preference. I know the market doesn't give you a preference, but that's what I think is very, very possible of happening. Now I am open for this to trend higher. Other coins like ETH and stuff give me a little bit of doubt that this will go lower, and maybe we can fake everybody out and it starts to grind higher, so we need to keep an eye out for that. So that's it for the video, guys. It's getting a bit long here. If anybody has actually managed to watch right to the end, then fair play. I should have. I wish I had something nice to give you right here, right now, some little secret tip or something, but I didn't pre-plan this running on. So that's it, guys. Please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and tick that bell, as it really helps the channel, guys, grow, and I'm just trying to grow it a little bit. So it would be much appreciated. And if you'd like to join us in our live trading room, go to the description below and go to the website and click on that 3-day free trial. 100% free, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.